If your kid has a love for all things super, we've got you covered. Here are some awesome superhero-themed arts and crafts to make any party totally super. New to Crafty hackers? Then hit that notification bell to be the first to see our new videos. And if you like these superhero arts and crafts, give us a big thumbs up. Let's do this. Envelope. Grab a sheet of colorful construction paper and print out your favorite superhero logo. We're going to show you how to make one-of-a-kind superhero envelopes for your party invitations. Fold over one side of the paper like this. Open up the fold and use a glue stick to glue it into place. Fold the other side over as the flap. Now grab your logo. Cut it out and use a ruler to trace around the logo. Once you've cut out your logo shape, you are going to attach it to the front of the envelope, right around here. Use a glue stick to glue it to the front flap. Now you're ready for the invitation. That's a super envelope. Mask. Use a dollar store mask and set it on a piece of black construction paper. Trace lines on the mask and construction paper to make this design. Cut the mask on the lines. Turn the mask over and trace the rest of the design on the construction paper. Trace out the eyes too. When you're done, you should have a full mask traced out on the paper. Now cut it out. Time to add the hair. Can you guess which supervillain this is? Use orange construction paper and draw some hair. Cut out the hair. Use an X-Acto knife to cut out the finer details of the hair. Use a marker to add more details to the hair. Glue the mask to the hair and add a stick to the side. Now your guest will be photo ready. Batman cupcake. Cut these designs out of black, yellow, and white construction paper, and you'll be ready to make Batman cupcakes in no time. Use a glue stick to glue the face mask together. Glue the bat signal to the yellow piece of paper. Draw on eyes and a mouth with a black marker and glue a toothpick to the back. Grab your cupcake holder and glue the bat signal to the side. Complete the look with the Batman on top. How cute is that? Popcorn cups. For this, you'll need an old comic book. Pull out a page of your comic and roll it over like this. Use a glue stick to glue it together. Now you've got popcorn and snack cups for your guests' favorite snacks. Now grab some tissue paper and an old shoebox. Glue the tissue paper to the box. Glue some squares of colorful construction paper to the side of the box. Draw lines on them to make windows. Now let's make the snack cup holders. Cut small holes in the top for the snack cups to fit. Party time! Incredible lollipop. Let's give this lollipop some superpowers. First, cut out a small piece of plastic wrap. And wrap it around the lollipop. Draw a cape on some red paper. And cut it out. Add some detail with a black marker. Trace the logo out onto a piece of white paper. Color it in. Curl a piece of ribbon and tie it around the base of the lollipop. Draw a tiny superhero and color it in. Use a pair of cuticle scissors to pierce a hole into the top of the cape. Now push the stick of the lollipop through the cape. Use non-toxic glue to glue your superhero head onto the front of the lollipop. That is one incredible treat. Photo booth props. Every great superhero party has a photo booth. Here's how to make your own props. Print out some superhero designs. Glue it to a sturdy piece of cardboard or thicker paper. Cut out the design. Use an X-Acto knife for the tricky parts. Pow pow! Glue a stick to the back of your signs. This could use a little ribbon. Tie a piece around the stick and use scissors to curl. Let's add a little comic book flair. Get a hold of some polka dotted tissue paper. Fold a square of paper in an accordion foil, like this. Fan out the folds, then cinch and fold it in the center. Twist it and glue it together. Glue it to the back of your sign. Your guests can use the mask you made with these signs for super photo booth action. And that was part 1 of our superhero-themed arts and crafts for kids parties. Thanks for watching Crafty Hackers. Please subscribe to our channel for more hacks. See you later!